Hey guys, I can't believe we're diving into this wild ride of a story today. Okay, so picture this. Imran Khan, right? This dude went from being a total cricket superstar to running an entire country, and now he's in jail? Like what? I mean, talk about a plot twist, am I right? So we're gonna break down this crazy journey of his, focusing on the last 17 months he spent behind bars. It's like, one day you're the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and the next you're trading in your fancy suits for a prison jumpsuit. Okay, so let's rewind a bit, because this story's got more layers than a really complicated onion, you know what I mean? So, Imran Khan was like the Brad Pitt of cricket back in the day. Seriously, he was a total heartthrob who could also hit a mean six. But then he was like, nah, I'm gonna save Pakistan instead. And boom, he goes into politics. Fast forward, and suddenly he's the Prime Minister. It's like going from hitting balls to running an entire country. But here's where things get messy. He's doing his Prime Minister thing, right? And then, bam! Suddenly there's all these charges flying around. Corruption this, misuse of office that. It's like a political soap opera, I swear. And before you know it, our cricket superstar turned political hotshot is being hauled off to jail. Can you believe it? One minute you're making big decisions for a whole country, and the next you're trying to figure out how to make prison food edible. It's wild! So, now our boy Imran is stuck in the slammer, right? And let me tell you, it's not exactly a 5-star hotel situation he's got going on. We're talking 17 months of jail time, guys. That's like a really long time to be grounded, but way worse. But here's the kicker. Even from behind bars, this dude is still making waves. It's like he's got a megaphone or something, I swear. His supporters are out there rallying, holding up signs, probably yelling stuff like "Free Imran" or whatever. And it's not just in Pakistan. Oh no, this thing's gone international. You've got people all over the world talking about it, debating whether he's a political prisoner or if he really did mess up. Meanwhile, Imran's in there writing letters, making statements, probably dreaming about cricket fields and election rallies. It's like he's running a campaign from a jail cell, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. Whew. What a ride, right? I mean, from cricket fields to parliament to prison cells, Imran Khan's life is like the craziest game of snakes and ladders ever. But seriously though, his story is far from over. Whether you think he's a hero or a zero, you can't deny that this guy's left a mark on Pakistan that's gonna last longer than a cricket match on a rainy day. So, what do you guys think? Is Imran Khan gonna stage a comeback? Or is this game over for the former PM? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'm dying to know what you think about this whole saga. And hey, if you enjoyed this wild ride through Pakistani politics, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more crazy stories. Until next time, keep it spicy and maybe stay out of jail, yeah? Bye!